Today I'm going to talk about what the skin fairy means on Snapchat. You might have heard people talking about it, but when you search for it in the app there's nothing in there, so what's the deal? Let's see how to do that. It's pretty easy. Screen sharing on Snapchat isn't a feature within the app itself. Instead, it referred to using third-party screen recording software to capture what's happening on your phone screen with the dets within a Snapchat or any other app. Let me break it down for you. Say you want to show your friends something cool you found on Snapchat, but you can't send them a link or picture. That's where It's Not Recording comes in. You simplify up your screen recording, do your things on Snapchat to whatever app you are using, and it capture everything you do. Now once you are recorded your screen, you can send that recording to your friends through Snapchat. Just like you would with any other videos or picture, just hit the upload button, choose the file and send it off, and there you have it. That's what people mean when they talk about screen sharing on Snapchat. It's a handy way to share moment with your friends that you can't capture with just a regular snap.